I'm Kyle Mohan. We're going to talk a little bit about rotary engine break-in. So if you've put together a brand new motor, or you've received a brand new motor from a shop, or even the manufacturer, there's obviously some break-in procedure necessary. Like most new components, your Mazda engine will need to have about 500 miles put on it. Nice, low load, low RPM driving conditions. That means no burnouts, no flooring it, no passing cars on the freeway unnecessarily. Get that first 500 miles on it as smooth as possible, gradually increasing that mild load to the point where you can change that oil and actually put another 1,500 miles on it. So your first two oil changes should be done by the time you hit 2,000 miles. By the time you've hit 2,000 miles, you should have accomplished a proper rotary engine break-in. At that point, you're free to have fun.